Hello and welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through a quick and easy step on how to change email address on Mobile Legends. If you want to change your email address associated with Mobile Legends, then the process is quite simple. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Mobile Legends game on your mobile device. Also make sure that you are logged in with an email address. Once you're inside this main lobby page, tap on your profile picture at the top left hand corner. Once you open up your profile tab, tap on Account button on the bottom left. Go to the right hand side of the screen and tap on Account Center. Under Manage Account, tap on Change Email Address. Now, the email address associated with your account will be displayed at the top. You'll need to send and enter the verification code sent to you via this email. Tap the Send Code button and wait for the email to arrive. Open up your same email inbox and check for your verification code. Once it is arrived, type it in the text box and make sure to type it in correct. After you are done typing in the correct verification code, tap on Confirm. Enter the new email address you'd like to change to on the next field. Once done, tap on Send Code on the next field. Wait for the verification code to arrive via email and remember to look for the new email inbox and make sure to open up the new email inbox that you're trying to change to and you'll receive an email from Moonton. Go ahead and copy your verification code, get back to the change email address page and paste in the verification code. Finally, tap on Confirm. Soon after you're done, you'll be able to change your email address for your Mobile Legends game. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.